Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I personally prepare my natural nails for acrylic application. Let's get started. First I'm starting out with a metal cuticle pusher and I'm going to push back all of my cuticles. I always recommend pushing at a 45-degree angle to the nail to avoid the pusher slipping and hurting your cuticle. Then I'm going to grab my rechargeable electric file. I'm starting off with my small teardrop bit. For cuticle prep, the e-file should be set to a low speed. The best way to ensure that you don't file into the nail is to use the file on a part of your hand. If you feel any serious discomfort or pain, the speed is too high. Remember, you are essentially exfoliating the cuticle, so a low speed is all you need. So my e-file is in its standard forward rotation, meaning it is spinning clockwise. For this direction, I will do the left half of the cuticle. The reason I'm only doing half at a time is because I want the e-file to pick up and remove the dead skin from the nail and to lift the cuticle. For the other half of my nails, I will switch the direction of the rotation of the e-file to reverse or anti-clockwise. This is because the slope of the nail is the opposite direction, so if the rotation was forward, it would push the cuticle down instead of lifting it up, and the e-file may run on you. Basically, the rotation needs to be opposite to the direction you are moving, and you will always go from the center of the nail to the other side, never backwards. Then, before changing my bits, I'm going to stop my e-file and change my bit to the small ball bit. I'm repeating the same method that I did with the teardrop bit, but I'm starting with the e-file in reverse. This makes it so that when I'm done switching directions for prep, my e-file will be back to its original direction, meaning you won't get any surprises when you use it next. This bit really helps lift the cuticle, which makes the next step unimaginably easy. Again, this bit should be used at a very low speed. Then I'm going to repeat the exact same steps for my other hand. After prepping my cuticles, I'm going to grab my Cuticle Nippers to remove as much cuticle as I can. I prefer a nipper over the actual scissors because the scissors are super sharp and thin, and for me I always tend to draw blood or the cuticles become sensitive, so I stick to the nippers. The best way to use the nippers is to slide one blade under the lifted cuticle and clip off the semi-transparent skin. The part I'm removing is dead skin. It is very easy to cut. If at any point you feel something squishy or if pain is felt, immediately stop cutting and readjust your positioning. I recommend practice cutting your own cuticles before trying it on a client's. You will learn very quickly what hurts the cuticles and how to do it correctly. With most of the overgrown cuticles removed, I'm finishing off the nail prep with my blue glitter nail buffer. This is an oldish buffer which makes it not as abrasive as a new buffer. I will buff all my nails, preparing them for product application and ensuring that I remove any cuticle that may still be on the nail. And there we go. That is how I personally prep my nails for acrylic application. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and turn that notification bell on to get notified when I post. And stay tuned for 2 new videos coming in the next week. How to marble using magic inks and how to fit a paper sculpting form extra long stiletto nails. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a great rest of whenever you're watching this. Toodles!